Guys, we are going to click on the Inshot app, click on it, and then click on video. So you click on new, the plus sign there. We are going to add the video we are about to blow. So I'll just go with this one of 1 minute 6 seconds. So you click on it, then you click on this check sign. So this is it. So guys, the next thing we are going to do now is we are going to click on effect. Remember that we are blurring this very background. We are going to blur this background. So you click on effects and then click on AI effects. So guys, you just swipe to the right hand side, keep swiping until you get to blur. Now here we are. So this is blur. So once you get to blur, you're going to search for gas. I just call it gas. I don't know if I'm getting the pronunciation right. This GAUSS. So you click on it. So for this value, you can either reduce the blur effect or increase it. As you can see, I'm reducing it. Can you see this? So let me increase the blur effect and you see how blur the video will be. So let me take it to the end. Guys, did you see that? So then you click on this check sign. And after clicking on that check sign, you have to extend the effect, the blur effect, to the very end of your video so that all parts of your video will be blur. So just extend it to the end of your video, and immediately you extend it, then you will notice that it will start counting 17%, 18, so it will just count to 100. All you need to do is for you to be patient for it to finish counting. It is when it's finished counting that your video will come out perfect. Do you understand? So you need to be patient. So guys, this is it, 97, 98, like that. So 100. Did you see that, guys? So the video is perfect now. Don't forget that if you want to decrease the blur effect, you can do that. If you want to increase it, you can do that. So for this tutorial, I just have to increase it for you people to see. So let me play the video now for you to see. Guys, remember that I did a video some days. Is it days? So guys, did you see that? It is very easy. This one, you don't need to export any video and import any video, just as we did in CapCut. This one is the easiest one I know. This is the one I'll be using now for my blur background. Anytime I want to blur my background, I'll be using this effect. I'll be using Inshot because it is very easy. You don't need to start editing and exporting and you know those stuff now that we did in CapCut. So guys, this is it for this video. I hope you have been able to learn something. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Support me by subscribing, like my video and share. Leave a comment for me, guys. I will appreciate that a lot. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.